Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a starry night sky with the Inspired Thoughts bundle. I used the Inspired Thoughts bundle to create this card. The Inspired Thought bundle has the sentiments in the stamp set, and the Inspiring Canopy Dies has this beautiful set of trees, and my favorite is this slope die. Love it. And all these leaves are flowers, and if you purchase them together you get 10% off. And there's so many wonderful cards that you can make with this bundle. I just love it so much. So I'm gonna start off with a Night of Navy card base, just a regular 8.5 by 5.5. So it's a piece of cardstock cut in half and then folded in half, scored at 4 1/4 and cut in half. And then I have a piece of basic white, 5 1/4 by 4, and I'm gonna start by blending. So I've got a scrap piece of paper here, and I'm going to use a Blackberry Bliss, Night of Navy, and Misty Moonlight. So these three colors right here. And I've got blending brushes. So I've labeled them Misty Moonlight, Blackberry Bliss, Night of Navy. It just helps me because I'm lazy and I don't want to wash my brushes. I just use them one at a time. So I'm going to start with the Night of Navy on the bottom. I'm going to get a good amount of ink here. I'm just going to start off over here, and I'm just going to go for it. Grab some more ink. Ooh. And just start off here. And there we go. Okay, it's looking nice and dark. So we'll put that aside. And I'm going to move this ink. I'm not going to close it, but I'm going to move these away so I don't mix them up, because the Misty Moonlight looks pretty similar. And I'm going to grab some Misty Moonlight. Just kind of start off here. I'm just going to kind of start adding some in the middle here. Looks pretty similar. It's just a nice, it's another blue. I'm actually gonna go to the top with this. Okay, so we're gonna put the blue over here. You're gonna get inky fingers. Okay, Blackberry Bliss. This is where the magic happens. So cool. So I'm gonna get some Blackberry Bliss. I'm gonna turn it this way, just better because I'm right-handed. Okay, gonna bring some Blackberry Bliss in. Looking cool. Just gonna bring it all the way down. Turn it the other way. Get it all the way down there. In the middle. Bring it down. Okay, a little bit more. There we go, dark. Just lots of ink, nice and dark. So that's good for the Blackberry Bliss. And I think that's good for the Misty Moonlight. Put those away. But I'm going to bring back the Night of Navy. I'm going to add some more. Add some more at the bottom. And I'm going to add some back up here. Just kind of lightly first to see how much I want to add. Yeah, that looks good. What do you think? I like it. It looks nice. Cosmic. Okay. All right. So that's our first step, is to blend and add ink, whatever colors you want. Next, we have Whisper White, and we're going to open it up, and we're going to put some ink in the top of the ink pad, and we're going to use a water painter. Yes, this is the old style water painter. This is the new style. You can, whichever one. I still use the old style too. And I'm going to move everything out of the way because this is incredibly messy. I'm going to kind of cover some of the area here because this truly, it gets everywhere. Just gonna wipe off my hands here, and just gonna use a scrap piece of paper over here as a barrier. Another paper towel. Okay, because this is like super messy. Here's my white ink. So I'm gonna put a couple drops here. If I can get them to come out. There we go. And I'm just gonna do a tiny bit of water, squeeze a tiny bit of water. Okay, whoops, it's probably too much. Just kind of get the water in the ink. So I've got a nice bit of white ink. And you know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna start flicking, okay? And I'm gonna try to just flick straight down. So here we go. And I want more white. I don't really want the water, but I did get some water. And you might want to wear like a, what's it called? When you cook, you wear it. Totally forgot what it's called. Not a bib. Oh my gosh. I'm forgetting so many words lately. I can't think of words. But yeah, you might want to wear one of those, or like protect your clothes. Oh my gosh, what is that called? An apron. Yes, you might want to wear an apron, because I got some of this on my shirt, and I think it's water. No, it's not water-based. So it's a little bit difficult to get out. It's pigment. So yeah, it wasn't that easy to get out. So you can do as much or as little as you want. I like a lot. I like to see like the whole galaxy. I like there to be just like a ton. You know, whoops, I'm getting it all over the place, and you're gonna get it on your hands. It's just messy. I'm like trying to keep it low to the paper so that I'm not, and I don't want to get the water spots, but those look kind of cool too. I'd rather get the just the white. I'm not sure how to just get the white. I end up getting water too. Oops, I don't want that. Okay, I think that's good. Wow, I have a pearl stuck to me. Where did the pearl come from? Okay, so there's our white. Put that away. If you're gonna use this again in the near future, then you can just cap that because I am gonna use it again. And I'm gonna wipe this little, well, I think it's gonna get covered up. Hope it gets covered up. Okay, so you can put all your paper towels and your scraps away. We can bring back our sample and our card base. Okay, gotta let this dry a little bit. So while we let it dry, so here's our trees. I'm gonna put those on. And then I have this little piece of Night of Navy, and I cut that out with the die from Beautiful Trees. It's this little label die right here from Beautiful Trees. And voila, I've already embossed it. But if you don't know how to emboss, you use a Versamark ink pad. It's like a sticky ink pad, and you stamp onto the cardstock. Oh darn, I got white ink on here. Let's see if I can erase it off. Well, I'm embossing white on it, so maybe it'll get hidden, be hidden. And then you have this white powder that will stick to where you stamped it. And then you'll heat it up using an embossing tool. So this is an embossing, no, this is a heat tool. See, I'm forgetting my words. And then it will melt and it will come out like this and it'll be raised. Pretty cool. So I have that. Let's see, I don't want to smear it. Okay, but I'm gonna adhere it. But just in case, I'm gonna have that. And so I'm just gonna gently put the adhesive on. Very gently. Okay, that looks so cool, doesn't it? So cool. Okay, so now the trick with quickly applying glue is to use a sponge and your liquid glue, and just to put the glue right on your sponge. Okay, I'm just gonna, make sure I got glue everywhere. Looks like I do. And then I can add my glue down here. And add this to the card, like a silhouette. I'm gonna add that to the base of the basic white. And I'm gonna trim off this piece here so it matches with the basic white right there. Yeah. Did I get it? Yeah, that's good enough. Okay, and then just add this with a couple of dimensionals. Right there. And you have your beautiful nighttime sky card. So I'm offering a free card kit when you purchase this bundle. And it has supplies for 6 cards. Oh no, see, I got ink on this one. I thought I covered it up. Use a little baby wipe. So you got to cover everything up when you do that. Make sure you don't get ink on your, that makes a weird sound, on your cards. See, I got ink all over my hands. It makes a mess. So do it somewhere where you don't care if you're getting ink everywhere. Okay, so these cards were safe. Aww. And then these 2 cards. So this is an alcohol ink background, super fun. I did videos for all these cards, so don't forget to check out the other videos on these cards. This is linen paper, so check that out, how I did that. And then I did a cloud background, so make sure to check out that video too. But the free card kit will have supplies for all these cards, and you can get it for free when you purchase the Inspired Thoughts bundle. Just go to my website and click on shop and use my hostess code, and then email me and let me know that you would like this card kit, and I will send it right out to you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and give me a thumbs up and leave a comment. And you can check out my other videos on the Inspired Thoughts bundle as well. I'll see you next time. Bye.